Back again, forward assist here. Another Glock edition. Today, we're going to be installing maritime cups on a Glock 19. Just going to be working with your slide. So, you take out your recoil spring, take your barrel out. Remember from the previous video, you're going to have to take this back plate off. So remember, to press it down, slide forward, slide your old plate off. Next, you're going to take out your plastic coupler. You can just pull the whole rod, firing pin all out in one shot. You're going to take your old cups out. Just to press the spring, and the cups come right out. Should come out in two pieces. So there's your old cups. Hard to see because they are very tiny. So then we will replace them with the maritime cups. Difference, these are your maritime cups. It's super hard to see because they're so small, but they're cut grooves going all the way around. Your stock ones are solid all the way around. So now you're going to need to install your maritimes. So you can take your firing pin, you're going to depress the spring again. That groove that goes all the way around, it's going to go around the firing pin and inside of the spring. Once you drop one on each side in the spring, they will close around your firing pin and the spring will hold them in place. Gently release the spring. Hard to see, but now the maritime cups are installed. So now you're going to take your slide, simply drop your firing pin and spring all back in place, just push it down. Take your back plate, remember line up the grooves. Use one hand, push it down, then take your punch, push the extractor detent down, slide over and wait for the click. Done. Cups installed. Piece of cake. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Take it easy, guys.